Okay, guys, let's talk about coffee right now. So, I like coffee. I'm not really a coffee snob, but I do like coffee a couple times a day. So, what I like to do is, let me switch around the camera. Okay. What I like to do is only buy whole bean coffee, and it has to be organic. I will not buy any other kind of coffee, and I'll explain that in a minute. But I like to use a grinder to grind it up, and I usually fill this up about halfway to maybe all the way, depending on how many beans I have. So what I like to do is organic only, and the reason why I like to do organic only is because um, coffee ground or coffee beans are just covered with pesticides. And I don't want to ever ingest in pesticides, but I use my spent coffee grounds in my compost. Here's my little tiny compost bucket that I have next to it. It's got onion peels and usually banana peels and coffee grounds, and that goes out to my compost. So that's what I keep for my compost. But the compost goes to my garden, which then my plants are grown from, which then are my tomatoes are grown from, and I eat from those. So I will not use coffee beans that have had pesticides. So try to buy organic coffee, whole beans, so that you can grind it up. It's more fresher, and you can grind it up in a whole container, or if you want to grind it up daily, go for it. But I do it about every couple weeks or something like that. So enjoy your coffee. This happens to be Dr. McCullough's coffee. But I will get a lot of times a whole bean coffee from Costco, which is fabulous. So enjoy your cup of coffee and put a splash of milk in it. All right. Or honey. Actually, I like to do honey because I've got my bees. Okay, enjoy. Bye.